Overall, buyer showing activity slowed since last report, reflected in a slight dip in new contracts. It's Friday, May 9th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Southern Maryland did see a rise in buyer showing activity, as did Prince George's and Allegheny counties. Montgomery and Washington counties saw more contracts this report than last. Properties coming soon fell 6.3% from last report to 1,695. New listings rose again this report 3.2% to 2,241. Homes going under contract fell this week 0.5 to 1,805. 1,458 properties sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 9 days. Rental properties slipped to 2,435 properties for lease. This report priced at $2,400 median per month. That's your wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 9th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.